So today we're going to show you how to use the securements on 119. They're a little different from the ones on the rest of the buses. To deploy the securement arms on this bus, you'll need to lift up on this knob here, lower the arm down. You might have to make sure that these securement Q-straints are out of the way. Then you'll push it towards its little bracket thing to lock it in place. You'll do the same thing with the one towards the back. Make sure these are rolled up out of the way, and then lock it in place. You'll want to use two hands. You'll pull it out, away from its bracket, lift up, and you're going to have to push the bottom back towards the center of the bracket, and then lower it down into its little resting place. And do the same thing with the back. Pull it out towards the wall, lift up, and then you'll have to push towards the bottom with one of your hands to get it to go back into its little resting place. Alright, so one of the other new features on 119 is the rear Q-straints for the second securement area. It has this little lever, so you don't have to reach down quite so far to get slack on the Q-straints. You can just pull this knob gently. It won't extend all the way. It's just going to move a little bit, and that will give you slack for these rear securements. The vapor door control, it's quite a bit smaller than your standard metal door control. It also has all of the ramp and kneel functions integrated into the switch. So instead of being on your dash, your kneel switches are going to be just behind the door control, and then your ramp power will be located there as well. And then your deploy and stow switches will be just ahead of that control.